Hello and welcome. This is going to be a really quick video on how to find the average in Excel. And we find the average by using the average function. So let's say we wanted to find the average of Bob's sales over these 4 quarters. Well, click on the cell or the square you want the average to show up in. Then you put an equal sign in. Type in average, which tells Excel that we want to use the average function. Put a bracket. Then you're going to highlight all the numbers that you want to take the average from. So in this case, Q1 sales all the way through to Q4 sales for Bob. And then you can simply hit enter and it will pop out your average of the numbers that you highlighted. And in our case, that is 78,330. So one more time, if we wanted to do this for, say, James, we go equals, type in average, put a bracket, highlight the ones you want to find the average for, hit enter, and it pops out your average. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.